also coming in. Breaking news coming in at this moment. It's 8:46 a.m. We're about 2 hours and 15 minutes from the beginning of the budget presentation, and sources are telling us that the government is contemplating introduction of a joint tax filing system for married couples, a move aimed at reducing the overall tax burden on middle class households. Any details, Hina?
Well, this is a new idea. This is what the taxpayer body has proposed. Remember, government seeks proposals from everybody. So they've been pushing really hard that the government should allow joint taxation for couples, given the 12 lakh bonanza we got. Because now CAs feel that if you allow husband and wife to collectively file income tax returns, so their outgo in terms of tax is going to be lower. That's the only little argument.
Monica Hallan.
I have a little bit of a wild idea on this. Is it a precursor to a uniform civil code? Because when they finally bring that out, something called the HUF will go away, the Hindu undivided family, which is a tax break too. And this has been a real problem with certain groups. My sense is they're probably doing this as a chess move to then bring about that UCC later in the year. But you know, other than nudging people to get married.
In the budget, are we going to see the element of big, bold political reform on UCC, Mother?
I just want to, UCC of course is something that's on the anvil. We've seen it implementation in various states, including Uttarakhand. But what this could possibly do is what we were discussing earlier. Without actually changing the tax slabs, if there's higher disposable income with middle class families, that's something that's surely going to go down very well with the public of this country if that does happen. At the moment, we are learning that this is a proposal. But if that does happen, how much of this will actually bring in more cash into the pockets of middle class families is certainly going to be a very, very big question. And also, does it bring into the ambit the possibility of any kind of otherwise evasion that we may have seen, because it's often family members where a lot of tax evasion happens. So from the government's tax collection perspective also, what is the impact it will have, we don't know. But certainly if this does happen, it's going to be one of the most talked about proposals in this budget.